everything I wish I knew about the HOTO 25-piece household toolkit with the 16-volt brushless power drill. Now I was gifted this, but instead of telling you how great this product is, I'm gonna tell you only the facts and answer the questions you might have about this toolkit. This is basically designed to give you the core power tool and hand tools you need for common household projects in one organized case. So before we talk about how everything performs, let me show you exactly what you get. The centerpiece is the HOTO 16-volt brushless drill, and then you get one multi-purpose drill bit, 4 metal drill bits, 3 woodworking drill bits, 10 screwdriver bits, 1 multi-purpose screwdriver, a self-locking 10-foot measuring tape, a claw hammer with a removable rubber cap, an adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, a USB-C charging cable, and the storage case. So when HOTO calls this a 25-piece kit, those individual drill and screwdriver bits makes up a significant part of that count, which is worth knowing before you buy it. The case itself is also part of what makes this kit interesting, because every tool has its own model position. There are snapping holders and dual side buckles. So instead of keeping a drill in one box, it's in another drawer, and your hand tools somewhere else, everything stays together. Now let's look more closely at the drill, because that's obviously the main component here. This is a 16-volt cordless drill using a brushless motor. A brushless design eliminates the carbon brushes found in traditional brushed motors, which means there are fewer wear components inside the motor. The drill is rated for up to 50 Newton meters, or about 442 inch-pounds of torque, and up to 1700 RPM. You also have 32 torque settings, plus an automatic mode that gives you much more control than simply having a on and off drill, because different jobs and materials don't always need maximum torque. For something like driving a screw into furniture, you can select a lower setting to help avoid overdriving it. For drilling, you can move to an appropriate higher setting. The drill uses a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, so you don't need a separate chuck key. Every time you want to change a bit, you loosen the chuck as instructed here. Insert the appropriate bit, tighten it, and you're ready to work. There is also an integrated LED work light, which is useful when you are drilling inside the cabinet, behind furniture, or anywhere your hands and the drill itself are blocking the room light. Another feature I like from a usability standpoint is the digital display. Rather than relying entirely on mechanical markings, you can see and adjust the drill settings electronically. The included lithium-ion battery has a stated capacity of 1900 mAh and charges through USB-C. One limitation you should know is that the drill cannot be operated whilst charging. So if the battery is empty, you do have to stop and recharge rather than plugging it and continuing to work. Now let's go through the accessories, because this is where the kit becomes more useful than buying a drill by itself. You get 4 metal drill bits for drilling suitable metal materials, 3 woodworking drill bits for wood, and 1 multi-purpose drill bit for more general application. You also get 10 screwdriver bits, giving you different options for common fastener. The multi-purpose screwdriver gives you a manual option when using the power drill will be unnecessary, or when you want more precise hand control. And then there is the adjustable wrench for tightening or loosening different sizes of nuts and bolts without needing a full set of fixed size wrenches. The needle nose pliers gives you a narrow tip for gripping, bending, and reaching into tighter areas. The claw hammer covers basic hammering and nail removal. You also get a self-locking 10-foot tape measure for measuring before drilling, hanging, or installing something. And finally, the USB cable handles charging, while the hot storage case keeps the complete kit together. Put all of that together, and you have a setup that makes sense for jobs like assembling furniture, hanging pictures, installing shelves, tightening hardware, making small repairs, and handling other everyday DIY projects. Next, I'm gonna see how powerful this drill actually is. I'm gonna do some live demo. As you can see, in the beginning, this part is in the middle. So if you push this one to the side, then you can activate the drill like this. This tool side also controls the direction of the spin. For example, if you push it to this one, as you can see, right now it's spinning counterclockwise. But if you push this one to the other side, and then this time it's spinning clockwise. So next, I'm going to actually install one of those drill bits to try to drill this wood, see how strong the torque is. So the installation is very simple as well. At first, you also need to lock this one as well, because otherwise you don't want to get yourself hurt. So right now it's deactivated. I can't push this button. So as you can see, it has instructions right here. What you need to do is, this is very convenient actually, I like. As you can see, if you spin counterclockwise, you will unlock this thing right here. I will spin it. As you can see, now it opens. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna install one of those drills simply by I'll choose this one. This one's metal, so it's strong enough to drill this wood. You just plug it in like this. Okay, I need to make it more wider. So it's very intuitive. Just more spin. You put it inside. After you put it inside, then spin it clockwise and then lock it in. As you can see, it has directions right here. You have to spin in this direction. Now it's locked. I can use it right now. It's very intuitive. We don't even need to replace this part every time you want to replace the drill bit. So now, let's go. By the way, before we get started, this part, as you can see, you can also use this button right here. This is for drilling. And if you change this button right here, this is for screwing. You can change to this drill bit, so it also comes with. And now I'm gonna do drilling. And it also has this screen display right here. Now, let's see. You can also use this button to control the speed. As you can see, if I push a little bit, then it spins slowly. If I push all the way down, then it's the highest speed. Now let's go. As you can see, right here, it has no holes. Let's see. It's very strong. I even see smoke right here. I'll take a close look at the hole. As you can see right here, this is what we drill just now. I'm gonna drill even deeper. Make sure you hold it tight and do not lose it. You can also adjust the torch using this button right here. Right now it's in auto mode. I will adjust it to higher torch, 20. You can use this plus button right here. I'll upgrade it to 30. As you can see, you can also check the battery life right here. If the battery is low, you will know as well by checking the screen right here. As you can see, as soon as it's activated, it also gives you this light direction. So if you're working on a cabinet, you will know as well. Now let's go. The torque is higher right now. It's much stronger right now, I can feel it. So it's pretty straightforward, the use. People ask me a few questions about this toolkit. First, what material is the drill made of? The drill uses a combination of materials appropriate for cordless power tool with an exterior housing, an internal metal working component. Second, can a drill be used for metal? Yes, that's why the kit specifically includes 4 metal drill bits. Just make sure you are using the correct bit and appropriate drill setting for the particular material you are working with. The fact that a bit is intended for metal doesn't mean every thickness or every type of metal should be approached in exactly the same way. Overall, the HOTO 25-piece household toolkit combines a 16-volt brushless cordless drill with the basic hand tools and accessories you want for common home projects. If what you want is one organized case that can handle a wide range of everyday jobs without collecting every tool separately, that's where this kit makes the most sense. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.